Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country minivan, and I will show you what you can do in case your shifter is stuck in a parking mode and you cannot drive and you are stuck somewhere on a parking lot or in a traffic. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now luckily these vehicles are equipped with shift lock release. So what that means, if your shifter is stuck, there is a special button which you can press which will release it. Now there is like a small cover right here just on top of your shifter. Now what you have to do, you have to pop out this cover using a small flat screwdriver or anything similar you have handy, and then press that button inside, and once you press it and hold it pressed, this shifter should move. Okay, now I will show you how to remove this. So just gently, you want to pry it out. Okay, just like that. There's a couple of these black tabs here, and then there is the opening, and you want to insert something in it and push onto the button. You should feel the button in there. Okay, so I have my screwdriver on it right now. So you want to keep this button pressed, and while it is pressed, you want to press the brake pedal and you want to move the shifter to your desired position, either drive or reverse, and that will fix your problem. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. Now this kind of problem sometimes happens on these minivans. Like if it happens once in a year or something like that, it's not a big deal. You can just unlock it the way I showed you. But if this keeps happening, then most likely you have a problem with either the shifter solenoid or with the brake light switch. One of those most likely. But this is a short-term fix just to get you back on the road, so you don't have to pay a tow truck or something like that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it is, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.